In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover archived chats in ChatGPT. If you've tucked away some of your old conversations to keep your sidebar nice and tidy, and now you find yourself needing one of those chats back, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to retrieve it and bring it back into your active chat list. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First off, grab your computer or device and open your preferred web browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whatever works best for you. In the search bar, type in ChatGPT and hit Enter. You'll see a list of results appearing on your screen. Make sure to click on the official link to the ChatGPT website. If you ever find yourself unsure about which link to click, you might want to bookmark the site. This way, you can return quickly without any confusion next time. Now that you're on the ChatGPT site, it's time to sign into your account. Go ahead and enter your usual login information. Whether you're logging in with your email and password or using a single sign-on option, make sure you follow those steps as normal. For those of you who use multi-factor authentication, don't forget to complete that step too. Once you've signed in successfully, you should see your workspace along with the chat sidebar pop up. Next, you'll want to open your account menu. Look for your profile picture or your account name, which might be located at the bottom left of the sidebar or up in the top right corner, depending on your screen size and layout. If you're struggling to find it, try making your window a bit wider or keep an eye out for a small avatar icon. It can be easy to overlook. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it. From the menu that appears, you'll want to select the Settings option. This is where we start diving deeper into the features of ChatGPT. In the Settings window or panel that opens, scan for the tab labeled Data Controls in the sidebar. This section is specifically designed to group options related to your content, including those handy archived items. Within this area, find the row labeled Archived Chats and click the Manage button next to it. Now this action will take you to a specific view dedicated to your archived conversations. Here, you'll see a list that displays the titles and dates of your archived chats, making it easy for you to search for the one that you're looking for. To restore a particular conversation back to your active sidebar, simply click the Unarchive icon beside its title. You'll recognize it as a little folder with an upward arrow. The moment you click that Unarchive icon, your selected chat will bounce back into your main chat list, and you can immediately open it up to continue the conversation. Just a quick note, nothing in the conversation is altered by the Unarchive process. You're simply moving it back to your active view, so all those messages will remain just as you left them. If you don't see your sidebar refresh instantly, try clicking around the main page or briefly navigating back to your chats to watch the conversation appear. If you've got a long list of archived chats, use the titles and timestamps to guide you through the process of locating your specific conversation. And in case something seems to be missing, double-check that you are indeed signed into the correct account. Remember, you can always repeat these steps as many times as necessary to bring back additional conversations later on. So in summary, it's pretty straightforward. Open ChatGPT. Sign in, go to your profile menu, click on Settings, find Data Controls, manage your archived chats, and unarchive the conversation you want. Thanks for watching and happy chatting. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. See you next time.